So the next set of formulas are called multiple angle formulas. So the formulas that you have in this topic are sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So we have already seen the formula of sine of a plus b is nothing but sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, right? So if you take b equal to a, so if you take b equal to a, so what do you get? Sine of a plus a is sin 2a is equal to sin a cos a plus cos a sin a, that is 2 sin a cos a. So sin 2a will be equal to 2 sin a cos a. Just from compound angle formulas, if you put b is equal to a. So sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. This can also be written as 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, because 2 into sin theta by cos theta, that is tan theta, and 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but secant square theta. So 1 by cos square theta. So 1 cos theta will get cancelled, cos theta will go up. So 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but sin 2 theta. So for sin 2 theta, you have two formulas. The first is 2 sin theta cos theta, and the other is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Next, cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. So I'm not deriving this. You can just derive it in the same way as we have derived for sin a plus b. So cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta, and sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta again. So it will become 2 cos square theta minus 1. And if you write cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta, you get 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta, or 2 cos square theta minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square theta. And this can also be written in tan as 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, because 1 plus tan square is nothing but secant square. So if we just substitute the things, it will turn out to be same as this formula. Next, tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So this can also be found out just by putting b is equal to a, the formula of tan a plus b. Tan a plus tan b. So that becomes tan a plus tan a, 2 tan a. 1 minus tan a tan b becomes tan square theta. So tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. That's the difference between this formula and this formula. Tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Sin 2 theta is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. And cot 2 theta is cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a, right? So this becomes 2 cot theta, cot square theta minus 1. So these are the 4 formulas that you have in multiple angle formulas. So let us go for the next set of formulas in the same topic. So the next set of formulas are sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. And cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Tan 3 theta is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Cot 3 theta is 3 cot theta minus cot cube by 3 cot square minus 1. So sin 3 theta is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Again, just need to put sine of a plus b plus c formula. So in this formula, you just need to put b and c as also equal to a. And if you calculate the formula, so you get this formula. So 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. You need to simplify it further. So you had, because the formula is completely in terms of sine. Sine of a plus b plus c formula is in terms of sine as well as cos. So whenever you get cos square, you need to convert into 1 minus sine square, and you get this formula. Cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. The same way you can derive this. So derivations are not important for you. So you can try them on your own. So these are the 4 formulas which you need to remember. So sin 3 theta, cos 3 theta, tan 3 theta, and cot 3 theta. And one of the important sub formulas that you get from this topic is cos square theta can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Because cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is one of the formula that we have seen. So if you send this minus 1 onto this side, it becomes plus 1. So 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 is cos square theta. So whenever you have cos square theta, if you want to convert them into 2 thetas, or if you want to reduce the power, so what you can do is you can write as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So here you have the power as 2, here you have the argument as 2. So cos square theta can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. And in some questions you frequently come across this term 1 plus cos 2 theta can always be written as 2 cos square theta. So 1 plus cos 2 theta is a very frequent term that you get in questions. So 1 plus cos 2 theta can be written as 2 cos square of theta. That is, if you have 2 theta here, just need to half this angle here. And 1 minus cos 2 theta can be written as 2 sine square of whatever angle is here, that angle by 2. So 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sine square theta. For example, 1 minus cos of 45 degrees will be equal to 2 sine square of 45 by 2, that is 22.5 degrees. So from this formula, as you can see, you can find sine 22.5 from cos 45. So 1 minus cos 45 by 2, if you do the square root, you get sine of 22.5, so on. So these formulas can be used to find the trigonometric ratios of half of any required angle. So if you know the trigonometric ratio of theta, you can always find the trigonometric ratio corresponding to theta by 2 using these formulas.